We're going to move the recoil on this larger CC multi-tool. Slightly more involved than the smaller CCs. We're going to have to take the cylinder cover off and the spark plug out. First of all, we need to remove the top two securing screws, straw bolts, 4mm Allen keys, and there's a 4mm Allen key in the kit. I'm just using mine for convenience. They're quite long. Okay, so we have those two out. So now remove the spark plug cap. For the spark plug, put your combination tool on it, yeah, smack, and unscrew the spark plug. You have two bolts either side of the cover. These are a bit shorter, so just undo these. We can then lift the cover off. We have to push the spark plug lead through. That's the cover off. Now we can take the rest of the screws off the recoil. There's two more at the bottom, there's also two underneath. So we'll take the bottom ones off first. These two are shorter than the top two. I'm going to do the two bolts that hold the bottom. These are the same length as the top two. So then we can just take the recoil off. There is a shim that goes against the engine. Two locating lugs on the recoil correspond with two holes on the plate, the shim. To refit, push the shim onto the recoil assembly, offer up the recoil to the machine, just turn the cooling fan while you're pushing the recoil and you'll feel it slotting. So first of all, we'll put the two bottom screws in. You don't want to tighten it up all the way. I just want to get it so it just holds the recoil in place while you're putting the screws in. Put the next one in on the opposite side. Okay. Now we'll refit the cylinder cover. Just need to feed the spark plug through the cover. So bring the cover over the recoil, pushing down, and it slots on. We can now put the two screws back in from the other side. Put the rest of the screws in the recoil. Starting with the top ones. And the two in the bottom. We can put the spark plug back in. tighten it up and push the spark plug cap back on, and that's your recoil changed.